Hi everyone, let's make a simple greeting card today. What I am using is A3 size sheet. In size this is larger than the A4 size sheet. Glue, pencil, scissors and some origami sheets. Okay. Now first fold this A3 size sheet. You can take A4 size sheet also. I am using A3 size. Fold it from the center. Fold it equally. Like this. Now put it to one side. Take the origami sheets. Cut some hearts from it. How to cut the hearts I am telling you. Take one sheet. Fold it from the center. Okay. See, like this. Fold it one more time. I am folding it one more time because I need two hearts of the same size. Okay. It will appear like this. Now make a half heart shape. See. One more. Now cut it. Cut it properly. See, I am getting two hearts of same size. Like this. Now cut others also from this origami sheet also. Now see, these are the hearts that I have cut from those origami sheets. You can cut different size of hearts. Any color, whatever you like. Okay. Now I am going to paste like this. These are the two hearts of same size. At the center point I am putting the glue. And putting this heart from the center line. Okay. See, like this. 2-3 hearts I am using like this. See, these are few hearts that I have pasted from the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and these are some leftover hearts. Different sizes are there. These 4 of same size, another one different size. Okay. Now what I am going to do with these 4, I am going to make a flower here. You can make it on the corner, you can make it in the middle, your choice. I'm going to make it here. Put a small heart in the middle one. Paste it like this. Then paste them. All the 4 leaves I am pasting. and it's done. Okay. Fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste these hearts like this, different at different distance, like this. To paste these hearts, what I'm going to do it, on the bottom side I'm going to put the glue and paste it so that upper one remain open. Paste another one. Paste it properly. I have some space here also, so I'm pasting one more. You can paste according to your choice. You can keep more distance also. Okay, now I'm going to use some sketch pens. See, I'm using red pen. This is a brush pen. You can use simple sketch pens also and make any kind of design, whatever you like. Now I'm using green. I'm using different green to make the stem. A simple leaf. Color it. If you want to make another side also, you can make. Now what I'm going to do it, these small hearts I'm going to put over these leaves. These are the flower petals. Above it I'm going to put them. You can paste different colors also. I'm going to paste same color One more I should have. This I'm going to put at this place. See? Okay. And now for this, I'm going to make it a butterfly. My outer side is complete. At the inner side, you can write anything. Like, I'm going to write happy birthday. Happy. So this is a simple card made with only heart shape and anybody can make it. Thanks for watching.